Let's see. That'll be good. Now that's... So with the power on the radio all the way down into the amplifier is 50 watts output. Okay, now I'm going to bring it up. There's about 350. Top scale is hundreds of 1,000 watts now. Yeah. So about 350. Ooh, we're gonna change that one to a 2500 slug. And we'll be reading power at the top. That's 500. That's 1,000 right there. Audio. Check, check, check. Audio. Audio. That's right about 1,600. Truth and disclosure. Boy, that's blurry. There you go. 15.5 is my power supply. By the time it runs down all them wires, it's just about 14.2. Okay. Let's try our on sideband. Audio, check, check. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, 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 check. Beautiful signal for sideband. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See if we can listen to this. Audio, check, 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 check. Too close to that radio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check. 116, 1650 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's everything all put together and ready to go there, Phil. Hope you have a lot of fun with it.